Hi, Jenny here at Great Basin Miniature Schnauzers. Wanted to show one last video of these two puppies. The two girls out of Lucy's litter. They are 7 weeks old and 2 days. So they'll both be going to their new homes this weekend. They're just, I wanted to show them with their new groom. They look so cute. They just got groomed yesterday. So I've been a little bit behind on pictures and videos this week. But we had a new litter, and between Tails and Dew Claws and a first-time groom, it was kind of busy this week. And these two have had a bath once a week since they were 4 weeks old. So this was their first groom, though, with the clippers. They were both a little nervous about it, but once they got used to the sound, you just take it slow, and you know, just this is part of, you know, your routine for life. They did pretty good for their first time. I mean, patience, of course, is key with puppies. You guys remember that. Patience is good. I have not been allowing them to bite or bark much. They are gonna bark. That's part of their breed. But incessant barking just because I don't think is okay. So I do a snap my fingers and no, maybe a little more, but that's all I do. And they're so smart. They know when you're not happy with them. And so they just stop. They're not bullheaded and just keep going and going and going with it. They find something new. And it's really easy to distract them at this age. So when they are doing something you don't like, you tell them no and offer them something that they could be distracted with, a different toy. Very, very easily distractible. Aren't you guys? Yeah, and you guys keep it. So I'll just flip this back over. Oh my gosh, Winnie. She's trying to... She loves the tunnel. I wasn't sure how long that little ball would last hanging off of there, but these two haven't ripped it off yet. I'll just keep an eye on it, and if they do, we'll grab it from them. It's pretty big, so they can't really... I mean, I'm not going to say they can't swallow it. I'd get it away from them. But they enjoy playing with it, for sure. So they get put here 3 to 5 times a day, depending on how we're going. They need to run their energy out. And so while I'm cleaning up this other area right next to them where they are, I throw them in here and let them play until they lay down and look like they're ready for a nap. When you guys get them home, they are going to play hard, but when they're done and it's nap time, you need to let them rest. It's very important at this age to have them food and water in front of them at all times. These guys are over 5 pounds, so hypoglycemia is not a huge concern, but it could still happen. So food and water, very important. Rest when they need it. Rest is very important. You do not want your puppies too tired. It is not good for their health. Oh, I just love these two. I'm thinking I need to get a little puppy gym in here so that because you see they want to crawl on stuff and, go crazy with it. And if you guys can see that little spot on the wall, I left for 30 seconds because I forgot something yesterday. And little Miss here, the black one, She's so proud of herself. All the little pieces of wall that she took off there. I was like, okay. I'll have to yell at the kids from now on when I need something. So, you got to keep a close eye on your puppies. This will have to be fixed. I need to get some baby plug-ins for those because they do jump up there. So, they're not allowed out unless I'm in here keeping an eye on them. They are like, you know, toddlers. So you guys make sure that in your puppy packages, there's going to be some information on puppy proofing your home. I highly recommend you do that because they are curious. You know, they don't know what's not right, and they're chewing on everything right now. So with their nose in their mouth, that is how they check stuff out. What are you guys doing? Winnie, what are you doing? Hello. Oh, you're cute. I bent over, so of course they're like, oh. If you guys end up with any questions or concerns, you know, make sure you give me a call. They've had their first set of vaccinations, and they've both been wormed twice. So I've got them started for you. They need to be vaccinated every 3 to 4 weeks until they're 16 weeks or 20 weeks old. You need to talk to your veterinarian and see what they prefer you do. As long as they get their vaccinations, they're pretty safe, but you know, your own veterinarian will be, you know, they'll let you know how they want that handled. So usually they get real rough with each other. Somebody yelps, and then it's nap time. It's like a cranky toddler, you know. They'll start crying or screaming or have a little tantrum, and then it's nap time. So these two seem to be the same way. If you guys notice, if they're playing hard or biting their toys hard, you'll know soon after it's nap time. They seem to get frustrated, but they don't quit until somebody yelps, at least when they're together. I don't know how they'll be when you guys have them without a litter bait. Sorry, even with how many times I've done this, I still get sidetracked with them and just want to watch them. So, now we know nap time's coming soon. What happened, Winnie? What happened? Winnie, no. And like I said, they are so easily distracted. Hey, no. Oh, looky here. Hello. I know you're whistling at us. Hi. All right, well, this will be the last video of these two, so I know you guys will enjoy them as much as I have. They're such great little puppies. I'll try to get this for you guys. This is fun. All right, well, you guys have a great day, and I'll have more videos of the next litter, probably on Sundays. So call me, text me if you have any questions. If not, we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.